In a peaceful village, nestled between rolling hills, there was a curious boy named Kai. Every evening, Kai would sneak out to watch the sunset atop a nearby hill, captivated by the brilliant colors of the sky. One evening, he found a young lion cub lost and whimpering. Instead of running away, Kai sat beside it, gently stroking its mane until the cub purred and slept. They spent the night under the stars, the boy humming lullabies and the lion cub snuggling close. As dawn approached, a mighty lion appeared on the hilltop, searching for its missing cub. Seeing them together, the lion paused, sensing the bond they'd formed. Kai, understanding the lion's worry, nudged the cub towards its parent. The lion, grateful, gave a gentle roar that rumbled like a purr.
If you want to make such cartoon story videos and earn money from YouTube, you must watch the full video. In this video, I will show you everything on my computer, but you can do the same work on your mobile phone. So let's get started. We will divide this video into 5 steps. Step number 4 is very important, so watch the full video. The first step is to generate a story script for our video. You will find thousands of stories on Google, but today we will use ChatGPT to generate a unique story for our video. So first of all, go to chat.openai.com and create a free account using your email address and password. Since it's so easy, so I'm not going to show it anymore. When you will log into your account, you will come over to this page, as we need a kid's story. So we are going to write a short kid story about a lion and a young boy in about 200 words, and click here. As you can see, we have got an amazing story. Now we need some prompts to generate images. ChatGPT will help us to get some prompts. Just write the Mid-Journey prompt to generate images for every sentence for this story, and hit enter. As you can see, we have got some prompts to generate AI images, but this prompt is not enough to get these types of results. You have to add some secret prompts. I will show you everything as a bonus tip, so don't skip any part of this video. When you have generated your story script, your step number 1 will be completed. Step number 2. In this step, we will create a voiceover for our story using AI. You can use your own voice also. To generate voiceover, we are going to use 11 Labs. You can use any AI voice. I like this website because this is free, and here we have lots of voices to choose from. So here we need to paste our script. Now click on Generate, and it will be generated in just 1 minute. Now we can listen to the voice by clicking here.
In a peaceful village, nestled between rolling hills, there was a curious boy named Kai. Every evening, Kai would sneak out to watch the sunset atop a nearby hill, captivated by the brilliant colors of the sky.
And we can download this voice by clicking here. When you have generated a voiceover, your step number 2 is also completed. Our third step is to generate cartoon images using AI. To generate images, we are going to use Blue Willow, which is free. You can also use Leonardo AI. If you don't know how to use Blue Willow, you can watch this video. When you will log into your Blue Willow account, you will see the same interface. Just type /imagine. Then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now add these secret prompts: hyper-realistic, 8K, Ultra HD, Pixar style, Disney style, Cinema 4D, AR3:2, and hit enter. And this AI will generate beautiful AI images for you. Just for your information, I am attaching screenshots of the prompts which I used to create my images. You can pause the video and copy those prompts. Using my prompts as an example, you can create similar quality looking images for your story. So you have to generate all the required images for your story in Blue Willow and download them. After this, your step number 3 is also completed. Our fourth step is to convert our AI generated images into an animated video, like this. So to do that, I am going to use this AI tool, which is runway.ml. First of all, you need to create a free account. You can do that easily by clicking here. When you will log into your account, you will come over to this page. You can use this AI tool in 2 ways. Number 1, text to video. Number 2, image to video. And this is my recommended way. Now we will see how text to video works. So click on text to video. Here we need to write some prompt. I am going to copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then click on Free Preview, and you can see the result. But the quality is not good. To get the best quality, we have to use the image to video option. But if you like any of this, you just need to click on Generate, and you will find the final video. Now you can download this video by clicking here. Now I am going to show you how to use the image to video option. So just click here. Now you have to upload your own image. I am going to use an image that I have downloaded from Blue Willow, and it will take some time. Then click on Generate, and finally you can see the result. This is mind-blowing, so I will suggest you to use the second option to get the best result. Now you can download this video by clicking here. You have to repeat the same work for all of your images. Now we move to the last part. Here we will combine and edit all of these things to make a story video. You can use any video editor you like. I will use the CapCut app because this is a free and very professional app and available for every device. When you will download this app on your mobile phone or PC, just open the app and click on the New Project button. Now import all the videos and voiceovers you created. Now import any background music you like. You can download it from the YouTube library or any other free audio website. Now adjust the placement of your videos and add any transitions or effects you want. In this video, I will use some basic transitions that you will find on CapCut for free. Then from the effects section, I will use the mini star effects. If you can't understand any of the steps, then simply watch the video again in slow motion, because CapCut is a very easy editing tool. You can also add subtitles using this tool very easily. Just go to Text and Auto Captions, then click on Create. Now you can check out the result.
In a peaceful village, nestled between rolling hills, there was a curious boy named Kai. Every evening, Kai would sneak out to watch the sunset atop a nearby hill, captivated by the brilliant colors of the sky. One evening, he found a young lion cub lost and whimpering. Instead of running away, Kai sat beside it, gently stroking its mane until the cub purred and slept. They spent the night under the stars, the boy humming lullabies and the lion cub snuggling close. As dawn approached, a mighty lion appeared on the hilltop, searching for its missing cub. Seeing them together, the lion paused. Sensing the bond they'd formed, Kai, understanding the lion's worry, nudged the cub towards its parent. The lion, grateful, gave a gentle roar that rumbled like a purr.
Now to download this video, just go to Export. Again, Export. And it will be downloaded into your PC, so your video is ready. Now you can upload this video on YouTube and make money by monetizing your channel with Google Ads. I hope you have got some value from this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is free for you, but it will inspire me to create more valuable videos.